How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If you've been using Facebook Messenger lately, you may have noticed the end-to-end encryption feature that keeps your messages secure. But what if you don't want this extra layer of security? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger, so let's get started. First, open your Messenger app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure you have the most current settings available. Now, to end-to-end encryption is usually turned on for secret conversations in Messenger. So you need to open a chat that has this feature enabled. You'll know encryption is on when you see a small lock icon next to the person's name in the conversation. Now go to the chat and simply disable the secret conversation. Uh, Simply tap the disappearing message off. This will disable end-to-end encryption for that chat. If you do this, your chat will switch back to the regular non-encrypted Messenger chat. After turning it off, just confirm your choice and go back to the conversation. You'll now be chatting without end-to-end encryption, meaning Facebook will be able to access and store those messages on their servers. And that's it. You now know how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger.